My daughter's name is Sophia. She's been with Step by Step for almost a year and so far the progress that I've seen with Sophia since she's joined the nursery has been tremendous.
Step by Step has been by far the best nursery in my experience.
Nursery do we come to? Go, go!